Okay, so one of the things that you need to do prior to the auction itself, if you're planning on bidding, is you need to ask the agent for all the documents that are attached to the sale of the property and also all the auction conditions. So you're going to have your standard contract with all the standard terms and definitions and clauses of that, and then you're going to have the actual auction conditions as well. It's really important that you get all that information long before the auction, so you've got plenty of time to actually review, read through it, and make sure you're really comfortable with it. I would encourage you to talk to a solicitor if there's anything in there that you're not 100% sure about. On the day of the auction, you obviously arrive at the property itself, or it might be an in-room auction, and in most states you need to register prior to auctioning. And all that means that you need to provide evidence of who you are, proof of ID, and then they register you. You might get given a paddle or a number, and it's really important that you then, at the auction itself, peruse those documents again. I would actually go to the agent or the auctioneer and ask them if there's been any changes to the conditions or the contract that they sent you earlier, just to make sure that everything is exactly the same. Then obviously the auctioneer will go through a bit of an introduction to the property. They'll traditionally go through some of the terms under which the auction is being held, and then they'll ask you for an opening bid, and that's where the strategy can come in. You can start low and go from there. You can wait and not bid until it hits the market, or you can obviously go bid up bold and go for an opening bid and try and knock everyone else out of the water. As I said earlier, the only piece of advice I'd have is have a budget and try and stick to it.